Hello and happy Tuesday, Year 7. We're starting our new topic today, which is that of glaciation. Now, glaciation is something that is very different to that anything that we've thought about before, as we're thinking about huge masses of ice that have carved out and shaped our landscape. They are things that we don't have many of in the UK anymore. There's a few very small examples of cold environments in the very northern parts of Scotland, but we've got a lot of examples of landforms that were created when the last ice age was occurring, and the UK was covered in a lot more ice and therefore had a lot more glacial influence. We're going to start off with lessons that have been created by Mr. Cady, so you will hear his voice. He is the director of Key Stage 4, and a lot of you will know him already, and a lot of you will get to know him more as you move through the school. He will take you through some YouTube PowerPoints where he'll explain what he wants you to do and what you've got to do in order to complete the work. Remember, the work has to be done in your books. Make sure you don't spend over an hour doing it, and really do think about working on the tasks at a speedy yet not rushed level. My advice is, if you have any questions, think about the idea of brain, book, buddy, boss. Have a good think first of all. Use that brain. Instead of using textbooks, well, for the book part here, I would suggest you use the internet. There's a wealth of information on places like BBC Bitesize that have a look at glaciation and will give you some additional information. If you're then still stuck, drop me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you've got and can then help you out with this. I think we have 2 lessons this week. So you're going to start off by having a look at an introduction to glaciation, and you're then going to have a look at some of the glacial processes that occur as glaciers took hold in and around the landscape. No work due for submission this week, so just make sure the notes are in your book and the notes are neat, tidy and kept in good order. I'll speak with you again next week. I do hope you enjoy the lessons that Mr. Cady is going to prepare for you, and as I said, if you have any questions, please do drop me an email.